My name is Danny McAllister. I'm a school psychologist, and this is my 13th year. After I graduated with my bachelor's degree, I joined an AmeriCorps program through another ISD, and through that program I had to work with kids that were struggling with reading or behavior, and it was like a defining experience for me. I had to think on my feet. I really had to connect with the kids, and it was just a really great experience, and that kind of confirmed it for me to pursue that school psychology degree. My primary role is with special education. That entails like a lot of evaluations, testing, meetings, writing reports, scoring tests. So that's probably where I spend the majority of my time. I'm also involved in various levels of the multi-tiered systems of support. That includes like child study teams, leadership teams, helping with the development of behavior plans, intervention plans, other supports. I also work with individuals or groups to help with specific skills, consulting or coaching with teachers, staff that they need help with, sometimes anxiety or organization or just something else they might need some help with. I had a professor that said, if you can help it, don't be a teacher. But if you can't help it, you better be the best teacher you can be. And that kind of really stuck with me. I think you need to go all in, and I think that it can be incredibly rewarding when you're going all in for the sake of others. Take your Psych 101 class, take some psych classes, make sure you're into it. But otherwise, work in the school system. If you like working with people, if you like working with numbers, if you like being a detective, problem solver, collaborating with people, then go for it. I think it can be a very rewarding job.